Yeah guys, welcome back to our next video. Today, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna do baked fish and potato salad. Yeah guys, baked fish and potato salad. So what am I gonna do now? I'm gonna clean up some okra, carrot, pumpkin, stuff my fish. You understand all these? Guys, watch your badness in the kitchen. Soon come back. Yeah guys, as I can see over here, so my carrot, my pumpkin, and my okra, and my pepper. I'm not going to use no Irish, you understand me? Because I'm going to make potato salad. So guys, be a badness. See, I go see my fish guys, but now I tell you, be a badness. Soon come back. What am I going to do? I will cut up the season, them and now I'm going to swag on. Yeah guys, so swag on over here, so. This is for my fish, the stuffing on my fish, you understand me? So guys, what I'm going to do now? I'm going to peel up my Irish and put my Irish them to go and boil. You understand me? Soon come back guys, be a badness in the kitchen. Yeah guys, so this is my Irish to make me potato salad. Guys, be a badness in the kitchen. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to light up my stove and make my water go on hot. And meantime my water go on hot, I will light up my oven. You understand me? Light up the oven, mix up my season and stuff my fish. Watch your badness guys. Guys, be a badness in the kitchen, so I will light up my stove with the swag on. Be a badness. Be a badness guys, be a badness. Guys, one good thing me no get to go in my potato salad a egg. Yeah, me not lie to you. Me no get no egg guys. So guys, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna mix up the season for my fish. You understand me? Meantime water going hot. I'm gonna mix up my season. See my season here guys. So watch your badness in the kitchen. Soon come back guys, be a badness. Yeah guys, so over here so now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a little oil, little oil. You understand me? Carrot and pumpkin and Irish. No Irish, carrot and pumpkin and okra. Yeah, that's what guys. Pepper. Guys, watch your badness. Yeah guys, so now go put some all-purpose fish season. We have some coconut milk guys. Guys, be a badness. Remember me tell you. Be a badness in the kitchen guys. Guys, I'm here fish here. Sell out. soup it up. Pumpkin soup it up. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna make you see me fish, guys, and see what I go on in the kitchen. What am I gonna do? I'm gonna put in me Irish, we go and boil because the water hot. Over, yeah. Guys, some hot potato salad and baked fish, guys. Soon come back. Yeah guys, so as you can see over here, so if I paper the pan the counter, what am I gonna do? I will put my fish pan and stuff him. You understand what I did? Yeah. So guys, watch what I go on in the kitchen. Look my fish, guys. You see my fish? Yeah. Oh, yeah guys, some bad baked fish and potato salad. You understand what I mean? So guys, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna sprinkle some season on the fish. Season up the fish, you understand what I did here? Some fish season. I'm gonna put some more hard purpose, guys. Yeah, I have some more hard purpose. I'm not gonna put one. I have some of me use already, I left back some just I use it up. So guys, what I'm gonna do now, I go stuffy fish with me okra, carrot, my pumpkin, my ground season. You understand what I did? Yeah. Be a badness, guys. Tell me when you come in a Nicholas kitchen, be a good food. Guys, we can't wait till this done. Believe that. We just start and we can't wait till it done. Well stuff, guys, throw this in the oven and make it bake. Overs, nothing in all this, nothing. All I see is not going right. All of this is. Guys, over here, so Irish are wine. See that? So I'm gonna turn the fish, guys. Yeah. Yeah guys, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wrap him up. Yeah, I'm gonna wrap him up guys. And I'm gonna double the file. You understand now double the file guys. Two at top. Two at top. Be about this guys. Be about this. I do a quick like this now. Fold. Walk on. So that means that none of the juice, the inner the fish, cannot leak out. Be about this. Be about this, guys. Be about this. Guys, so I'm gone. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do now, we have some more coconut milk. I'm gonna pour it inside, guys. Watch what I'm going. Guys, like up your video, share up your video, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell as a video drop, you have it. Soon come back, guys. Yeah guys, so this is the milk we use, coconut milk. So I'm going guys, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna pour some more of the milk inside the file. You understand me? Because I don't want my fish too dry. I want it kind of juicy. You understand me? When they finish, yeah. So I'm gonna pour some more coconut juice. Guys, a be your badness. I'm not gonna use all. You understand me? Yeah. So guys, what I'm gonna do now, fold up the top. So I'm gonna fold the top, guys. So guys, this is the size of my fish. So I'm going there. I already light up my oven. We go and preheat. So what am I gonna do now? I'm gonna put in my fish. Watch what I'm going, guys. Yeah guys, so what am I gonna do now? I'm gonna put my fish inside of this and then I put it in the oven. You understand? And I just put the fish in the oven just so. No. I put it. I'm still not gonna do it because the fish long. You understand what I did? So let me see if we can fold this. Oh. Guys, I forgot to put it in and make it go on. Cook, guys. So guys, so what I'm gonna do, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put him in the oven and make him go and cook. You understand what I did? So guys, stay tuned for the finishing look. And my baked fish and my potato salad. See me Irish, I'm going to take off my Irish now. I'm going to just put this in the oven, take off my Irish and make my potato salad. Guys, soon come back. Yeah guys, so my Irish can come off now. You understand what I did? Yeah, my Irish can come off. So I'm going to do, take off my Irish. I make my potato salad. I can see what I'm going in the kitchen, guys. You understand what I did? Soon come back. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna deal with my potato salad now. Only thing me have in my potato salad now guys, I mean egg. But I know nothing that. So me have my sweet corn and my mixed vegetable and mayonnaise. Don't know. You know, me don't really like them type of mayonnaise. I understand Mardi, but you can't get the one you want, so me have to use it. You understand Mardi guys? So watch how I go on the kitchen. Yeah guys, so I go put in my sweet corn and my mixed vegetable. Guys, watch how I go on over here, so be a badness in our kitchen guys. Just stay tuned for the finishing look, my baked fish and potato salad. Guys, me not lie, me miss me egg out of this as God. Yeah guys, so look what I go on in our kitchen now. See me bake fish here. So I go on here so. And this over here for me what I call it now potato salad. So I go on there. Yeah. So guys, I go open up the fish because so I go on in our kitchen. Be a badness guys. Believe that. Be a badness in our kitchen. Oh, you guys look at this. Yo, that one is bad. People, we not live. I want to try this. You understand what I did? We are going to use your carrot, your pumpkin, and your okra. And you don't know your ground season. You understand what I did? Season up your fish. Yo, you see the coconut milk, turn up your thing, yo. Me not lie, if you tell you guys, that one is bad. Believe that. Guys, that one is bad, guys. No, like it, Guys, look on big fish, guys. Guys, look at this. Yeah, guys, this is my big fish. This is the finishing look. I'm gonna make you see when you in the plate. You don't know all light can hold in the plate. You understand how I did? Yo, be a badness, guys. Be a badness. Be a badness to the big fish, guys. Soon come back. Yeah, guys, so the potato salad there. I don't know, be a badness. I'm gonna share some food. I'm gonna see what I go on. You understand how I did? Soon come back. Yeah, guys, so I go on the table here. Yeah, you don't know all that fish can hold in that place, so you have to cut it in half. You understand how I did? Be a badness, guys. Be a badness. Yeah, guys, so as I set up, you understand how I did? My bake fish and potato salad, guys. Be a badness in our kitchen. Guys, see you in our next video. Don't know the badness already. Alright, I'm out.